Don't download Capchase Invest app before watching this. If you're considering Capchase Invest, stop right now and pay attention. Many assume it's a standard investing platform, but the surprising truth is that it's designed primarily for startup founders and small business investors, not everyday retail investors. Capchase Invest focuses on providing capital to early-stage companies through revenue-based financing. This means you can invest in private startups in exchange for a share of future revenue. Sounds exciting, right? But here's the catch. These investments are extremely high risk. Unlike publicly traded stocks, private startups have a high failure rate, and there is no guarantee you'll get your money back. Another key point is liquidity. Unlike traditional investment accounts, your money isn't easily accessible. You might be locked into an investment for months or years. If you need quick access to cash, Capchase Invest may not be suitable. Fees and transparency are also concerns. While the platform outlines management fees and interest rates, returns are unpredictable and highly dependent on startup performance. Investors need to do thorough due diligence, and even then, there is no certainty of profit. On the upside, Capchase Invest provides unique access to startups you normally can't invest in. Their dashboard allows you to track company performance, expected returns, and revenue forecasts. It's a specialized tool for experienced investors seeking high-risk, high-reward opportunities. In conclusion, Capchase Invest isn't for everyone. It's ideal for those with experience in startup investing, high risk tolerance, and long-term capital. If you're a casual investor expecting traditional returns or easy liquidity, this app may lead to disappointment. Understand the risks, fees, and limitations fully before signing up, so you know exactly what you're getting into.